Welcome to another episode in the playlist Copywriting for Advertising. In this video, I'll be telling you 3 powerful persuasion techniques that you can use to increase the selling power of your advertisement copy. As you may know by now, copywriting is salesmanship in print. So what is the job of a salesperson? Salesman is a person who persuades someone to do something, right? In other words, it's making a purchase. Now, if you try to understand that, and if you use these 3 simple persuasion techniques, and you can implement this right away to increase the selling power of your copy. Let's have a look at the first one. The first one is social proof. Do you remember the last time you purchased something online? Maybe it's a book, it's an electronic item, anything. Now, before making the purchase, did you look at the customer reviews? Think about it. That's it. People naturally tend to believe what other people are saying about the product or service. So use that for your own advantage. So how can you implement that? What you need to do is you need to collect testimonials as much as possible from your previous customers. Use those testimonials in your advertisement copy. Show the faces of your previous customers. The more detailed, if you have more detailed, more reliable, more sophisticated testimonials, that will increase the social proof of your advertisement. The next one is justifying their failures. Naturally, as human beings, we would like to complain and blame others, don't we? Use these tactics to show that you and your customer are in the same team. When you both have a common enemy, that will help to build trust between you and your customer. When you build trust, what happens next? Guess what? They are more likely to listen to your message, and then it will be very easy for you to persuade them to do what you want. The third one I have for you is use stories. Story, it is one of the most powerful way of communication from the ancient days, right? When you are using a story, ideally, if you can use a client story, that would be better. And show how your solution has helped someone else to solve a problem that they had in the past and how they feel now. That will resonate with the reader. Make it interesting to read. If your story has to be an interesting one. If your story is interesting, logic goes out of the way. Then it will be easier to hold their attention and persuade them to do what you want. In this case, asking them to make a purchase. So those are the 3 persuasion techniques that you can use in order to increase the selling power of your ad copy. Now, I have a simple question for you. Out of these 3 techniques, what is the first thing that we are going to try out? Is it the first one, which is social proof? The second one, or justifying their failures? The third one, using stories? Comment below and let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Click the subscribe button now. Also click the bell icon to enable notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when I release a new video.